front of me is REALME C33 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings. In them, scroll down and choose About Phone. Now you need to click on Device Name section and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, tap on OK and then select OK in this pop-up in order to save your changes. As you can see, after that, name of my REALME has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!